What's good YouTube? Welcome back sa channel. Jacob Alava, and today's video is gonna be a special video kasi it's gonna be a channel takeover. So kung nakita nyo na yung thumbnail, yes, we have a special guest, none other than si Miss Kat Pinay of Simply Pinay. If you guys are not familiar with Kat or Simply Pinay channel, she's actually one of the credible fitness and health YouTubers here in the Philippines, no? And if I'm not mistaken, nagka-calorie count din siya. She was actually one of the inspirations for me to get into YouTube. Naalala ko, napanood ko isa sa mga videos niya noong mga 2018 and nakita ko na ang dami niyang natutulungan and I wanted to be someone like that also. So shout out sa'yo, Kat. Thank you for being down to do this. I'll also have a video on her channel. Sabay namin ito nga upload. So guys, lilink ko sa baba yung YouTube tsaka yung Instagram ni Kat. So give her a follow. Check her content out because it's very good. So for today's video, it's gonna be about meal prepping 101. How to prepare your meals. So sa mga walang oras dyan and sa mga hirap mag-diet, this is one really good solution na people are actually asking me to make a video about. Nakita ko yung video ni Kat and sobrang kumpleto and sobrang marami kayong matututunan. So without further ado, Kat, take it away.
You wanna eat delicious meals while achieving your nutrition and fitness goals? Don't have time to cook every day kasi busy ka sa work or school? Then meal prep is the answer. Preparing meals in advance allows us to be in control of the ingredients, portion sizes, and budget, and saves us time throughout the week. If you want to try meal prepping but don't know how to start, then this video is for you. Here are some useful tips to guide you in your meal prep. First off, you will need the following useful tools bukod sa mga usual kitchen items natin. Reheatable food containers, portable blender if you plan to make smoothies, and measuring cups and measuring spoon and digital food scale to track your portion sizes. Don't worry, I will leave the links to all these in the description box down below. You may also download MyFitnessPal to track your calories and macros. Alright, first step, list down the recipes that you will make for the week. There are many healthy recipes that you can find online. You can get ideas from me or Coach Jacob, or better yet, create your own using your favorite ingredients. And don't forget to enter each ingredient in the MyFitnessPal app so you can track the calories and macros. Next, list down the ingredients you need to make these recipes. I like to categorize them into meats and proteins, veggies and fruits, and grains and others so I don't have a hard time navigating the aisles of the grocery store. Now let me show you what I got for my first batch of meal prep this week. Got some pechay to partner with a protein, very cheap yet so nutritious. I also got zucchini and carrots which I will stir fry, perfecto pang side dishes. And for my smoothies, I got a pipino or cucumber and celery na first time kong susubukan. I'm so excited. Of course, onion leeks to add a pop of color to any dish. Got some bananas, apples for smoothies, green apple for snacking, and lemons. Other items I got are sparkling water, sugar-free zero-calorie iced tea sweetened with stevia, corn kernels na favorite kong ilagay sa kahit anong dishes, and kimchi, another favorite health food of mine. Got some popcorn for snacks and a chocolate bar for when craving hits. Sanitize and wash the items. This is a very important step, especially ngayong time of pandemic. Let's get cooking. Start by cooking your grains. Today I'm having red rice, which has lots of health benefits, although it almost has the same amount of calories as our good old white rice. While the rice is cooking, let's cut our vegetables and fruits. I like to store the ingredients of my breakfast smoothie in a Ziploc bag so it's ready to blend in the morning and cleaning up would be easier. Di na kailangan maglabas pa ng chopping board and knife. Set the vegetables aside and let's prep the proteins. For this week, I'm having tofu and chicken breasts which are low in calories but are complete protein sources. I use a digital food scale to measure the portion sizes. I'd like to have 100 grams of chicken breast per meal to get 30 grams of protein for muscle support and fat loss. This is 165 calories only. And for this tofu, I'd like to get 130 grams because it has very low calories, although the protein content is also much lower. I just like to take a break from meats every once in a while. To make our meals tasty, let's add some sauces, but be sure to account for the added calories. For my Korean sauce, I'll be getting additional 80 calories.
Oh, tonight, girl. Cause they'll read about you in them papers. One day you'll be famous. That's what.
And for my honey lemon sauce, 90 calories. I think the extra calories are worth it kesa naman boring ang meals natin, diba?
They got them planes on the runway. All you got to do is name a place, cause I can take you anywhere you like.
Now it's time to cook. Let's begin with our veggies. I like to stir fry them with just a teaspoon or two of sesame oil because 1 teaspoon already has 40 calories. Sesame oil has a nice Asian flavor to it, which I think perfectly matches the recipes. I'll just mix the pechay with the tofu, so I'll just leave it aside. Let's proceed with our tofu. Deep fried crispy tofu sure tastes great, but it's not ideal if you're trying to lose weight. As I mentioned earlier, oil is high in calories. So we will just shallow fry this with 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. We're just aiming for a light brown exterior. Now let's pour in the honey lemon sauce. Add the pechay and stir fry it until fully cooked. Transfer to a serving bowl and set aside. Now let's do the chicken, which I've already marinated in the Korean sauce. Alright, it's time to assemble. Let's start with the rice. 1 serving is 1/2 cup for 100 calories. Next, the proteins. Let's divide each dish equally into 2 servings. And lastly, the veggies. Now these will be my lunch and dinner meals for the next 2 days. I will have the green smoothies for breakfast. After 2 days, another meal prep ulit para hindi gaanong repetitive ang recipes and so the ingredients will be fresh. Let's close the lid and store them in the fridge. All we have to do is to reheat them in the microwave when it's time to eat.
Everybody has it off for me. Don't expect a call or a reply from me. I don't really care about your honesty. Voices in my head, I need the company.
Since you've reached this part of the video, I have a bonus for you. Let's make a low-calorie snack. Popcorn is just around 40 calories per cup, but it's high in volume, so it's very filling.
Wherever you are, wherever you go, baby, I will go. I'm right here, baby, and all I do is think of you.
Let's add 5 pieces of almonds for additional healthy fat and some protein for just 35 calories only, making each serving just 75 calories. A perfect weight loss friendly snack which you can grab whenever you feel hungry in between meals.
Tell me what you're waiting for.
Lastly, don't forget to clean up. I know this is such a hassle, but a little sacrifice goes a long way in helping you reach your health and fitness goals. It's gonna be worth it for sure. And there you have it. Now you're ready for your own meal prep. Enjoy! This is Kat, and as always, stay fit and stay healthy.